University of Allahabad, Department of Medieval and Modern History presents historical heritage of Prayagraj. Prayagraj, the seventh largest city in the state of Uttar Pradesh, where there is supernatural happiness of Triveni Sangam. This city is oriented towards connecting history with the future. The pilgrimage place on whose banks the Kumbh Mela is held. This holy land, also known as Allahabad, has been a symbol of faith and reverence since ancient times, whose beauty has attracted not only the country but the entire world. This city is best known for its proximity to the Triveni Sangam, or the confluence of the three holy rivers of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, and the major Hindu pilgrimage of the Kumbh Mela. The Kumbh Mela occurs in every 12 years in the city, and an annual version called the Magh Mela takes place between the month of January and March, both characterized by large crowds, fairs and ritual dips in the holy rivers. The Mughal Emperor Akbar named this city as Allahabad, which the British changed to Allahabad. Recently, Allahabad has been officially renamed as Prayagraj. Let's explore the beauty of Prayagraj. Bharadwaj Ashram is the ashram of one of the greatest Hindu sages, Rishi Bharadwaj. In Ramayana, it is mentioned that Lord Ram with his wife Sita and brother Lakshman met Bharadwaj at his ashram at the start of their 14-year exile. Bade Hanumanji Mandir. The reclining statue of Hanuman is installed in this temple, adjacent to Prayagraj Fort. This is the only temple in the whole of India in which the idol of Hanumanji is in a lying posture. Akshavat is believed to be the oldest standing tree on earth. Akshavat is a banyan tree that has been mentioned in many religious texts. It is believed that Goddess Sita once blessed the Akshavat to be immortal and never ever shed a leaf in any season. Prayagraj's rich history is particularly exemplified through notable built heritage, including the Allahabad Pillar belonging to the age of the Mauryas, Kadwa Fort from the Gupta period, the Akbar Fort and the Khusro Bagh from the Mughal era, the Thornhill Maini Memorial and All Saints Cathedral in the Indo-Saracenic style of architecture. Victoria Memorial. Built in 1906, this stone archway in Chandrasekhar Azad Park once held a statue of Queen Victoria. Chandrasekhar Azad Park, earlier known as Alfred Park, it was renamed after freedom fighter Chandrasekhar Azad, who sacrificed his life here during the Indian independence struggle in 1931. Swaraj Bhavan is the original Anand Bhavan which Motilal Nehru gifted to the Indian National Congress in 1930 when he built his new house next door, that is the Anand Bhavan. Anand Bhavan was the ancestral home of Jawaharlal Nehru. The Allahabad Museum was opened to the public in 1954 by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The galleries of Allahabad Museum are known for their remarkable exhibits. The Old Nani Bridge at Prayagraj is one of the oldest and longest bridges in India. Prayagraj is basically an administrative and educational city. Allahabad High Court, officially known as High Court of Judicature at Allahabad, has jurisdiction over the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. It was established on 17 March 1866, making it one of the oldest high courts to be established in India. University of Allahabad is one of the oldest modern universities in India. It was known as the Oxford of the East. Hindi Sahitya Sammelan is a major public organization dedicated to the promotion of Hindi language, literature and Devanagari. From the days of the civilization, Prayagraj has been seat of learning, wisdom and writing. It is the most vibrant, politically, spiritually conscious and spiritually awakened city of India. Thank you.